Deep within the remote forests of New Zealand's rugged South Island, there exists a place where time itself seems to stand still. Hidden away from the prying eyes of the modern world, a sanctuary where ancient trees whisper secrets to the wind, and an extraordinary parrot that looks like an owl has managed to hide from the rest of the world for centuries. This is the remarkable story of the kakapo, a flightless wonder that has captivated the imaginations of scientists, naturalists, and all who have had the privilege of encountering it. Hi, and welcome to Paleologic. Today we are going to take a journey back in time and discover the fascinating history of one of the most unique creatures on our planet. So sit back, relax, and get ready to be amazed by the incredible story of the owl parrot that hid from time. Picture a bird that looks like an owl but is actually a parrot, a creature so peculiar that it seems straight out of a fairy tale. Imagine its emerald green feathers shimmering in the dappled sunlight as it flits through the ancient trees, its large, round face staring intently into the undergrowth. This enchanting bird is not a figment of your imagination, but a remarkable reality known as the kakapo belongs to a group of parrots known as the kaka species, which also includes the iconic red-crowned parrot. However, unlike its vibrant red-crested cousin, the kakapo is as drab and flightless as it is elusive. Over the years, its population dwindled to a mere handful of individuals, making it one of the rarest birds in the world. But what makes the kakapo truly extraordinary is its ability to survive for long periods without food and its peculiar nocturnal habits. While most birds sleep during the night to avoid predators, the kakapo takes this behavior to an extreme, sometimes going without food for days or even weeks at a time. They do this by slowing their metabolism down to incredibly low levels, entering a state known as This amazing adaptation allows them to conserve energy and survive in harsh environments where food is scarce. Now let's talk about how the kakapo became this rare and unique species. You see, millions of years ago, the ancestors of the kakapo were white-throated grass parakeets that flew over from Australia to New Zealand on the strong easterly winds that periodically blow across the Tasman Sea. Once they arrived, they found a land teeming with life and abundant resources. There were no predators to fear and plenty of food to eat. It was a paradise for birds. As generations passed, the kakapo evolved and adapted to their new environment, eventually becoming flightless. And nocturnal, they developed large, powerful beaks for crushing hard-shelled insects, and a strong sense of smell to help them locate food in the dark. Their feathers turned a striking green, allowing them to camouflage against the lush foliage of the forest floor. However, this idyllic existence was not to last. As the climate changed, the forests began to shrink and the kakapo's habitat was destroyed. To make matters worse, invasive species such as rats and stoats were introduced to New Zealand by humans, which preyed on the kakapo and their eggs. By the early 20th century, the kakapo was declared extinct, and yet somehow a small population managed to survive hidden away in the remote forests of the South Island. In 1995, a team of scientists, led by ornithologist David Miscali, rediscovered the kakapo, confirming that there were only 50 to 60 individuals left in the wild. This remarkable find sparked a race against time to save the kakapo from extinction. Scientists and conservationists worked tirelessly to protect the remaining kakapo and restore their habitat. They implemented strict measures to control predators and began a captive breeding program to increase the population. Thanks to their efforts, the number of kakapo has slowly but steadily increased. Today, there are more than 140 individuals living in the wild and in captivity. The future of the kakapo remains uncertain, but thanks to the dedication of those who have studied and protected it, this extraordinary bird has been saved from the brink of extinction. The kakapo is truly an enigma, a flightless parrot that has managed to hide from the world for centuries. Its strange appearance and behavior have captured the imagination of scientists and nature lovers alike, and its remarkable story serves as a reminder of the fragility of our planet's biodiversity and the importance of conservation. Thank you for joining us on this journey through time to discover the fascinating history of the kakapo. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, keep exploring the world and all its wonders.